Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to upload a YouTube short from your PC. So to upload a YouTube short from your PC, what you have to do is you have to make sure that your video or your short is in 9:16 ratio. So if it's not in 9:16 ratio, you might face some problems while uploading a YouTube short. So just make sure that your video is in 9:16 ratio. Or if you want to create a video in 9:16 ratio, what you can do is just use any video editing applications. For example, I'll use my CapCut. So just open up your CapCut application and just create a project. So just select a video that you would like to upload and then select the range of the video. So I have already set it to 9:16. So if it's not in 9:16, what you have to do is just change it to 9:16 and then export the video. So just export this video, and after exporting this video, what you can do is just close this tab and then close your CapCut. So after creating a video which is in 9:16 ratio, what you can do is just open up your YouTube account or open up your YouTube application. After opening up your YouTube application, now what you can do is just tap on create, which is on the top left corner of your screen. After tapping on create, now what you can do is just tap on upload. And after tapping on upload, now what you can do is just tap on select files and just select a file that you have just created, or you can easily drag and drop that file. So after uploading a file, you can just name your file and then just add a hashtag named short. After adding the hashtag, now what you can do is just add a description. So you can add any description that you want, and after adding the description for your shorts, what you can do is just select a playlist and then select the age range. So you can select a age range for your video. So if it's made for kids, you can just select yes, it's made for kids, but if it's not, what you can do is just tap on no, it's not made for kids. After doing that, what you can do is just you can find this advanced age restrictions. You can just customize your age restrictions. After doing those, what you can do is just tap on show more and then customize the following options that you can see. And after setting all these options, what you can do is just tap on next, and then you have to select your video elements. So after adding the elements, you can just tap on next and then check if your video has any copyright issues. So if it has a copyright issue, what you can do is just easily edit that part which has copyright issues. So after doing that, just tap on next and then select the visibility for your video or for your short that you are uploading. So if your YouTube short is for private, what you can do is just select that, or you can change it to public. If you would like to share it for everyone, you just change it to public and then set it as instant premium. So after checking your copyright issues, after changing your copyright issues, now what you can do is just tap on next, and after coming up to your visibilities, now what you can do is just change your video. So if it's for public, or if it's for unlisted, or if it's for private. So I would like to set my video as public, and after changing your video as public, now you can schedule your video according to your time range. After doing that, what you can do is just tap on schedule. If you don't want to schedule your video, you don't have to. So after doing that, now what you can do is just copy this link and then share it to your friends and family. And after doing that, you will successfully upload a short. So that's it guys, this is how to upload YouTube shorts from PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.